Okay guys, this is the tubular lock, and we're going to pick it with a H&H locksmith tool. See, we use it mostly on safes and a metal cupboard. Yeah, we got that H&H. This is a brand of high quality tubular pick. What we'll have to do is to press this button on the top, tight the pins so it all goes flat here with the header. Yeah, you can release it, then tight it again. Now just lock it. See this? You'll have to lock it tight. We're gonna insert it into the lock, to the end, very strong. Then what we're going to do is to release it slowly. And then we're just gonna play. Left and right, release it again, and then here we go. Now we're just gonna tighten it a little bit harder, so we'll have quite a new tubular key for this specific lock that we just opened, and we can insert it again, and then just easy insert it, and we got a new key for this specific lock. That helps us to get a new form of key. We have this bit here. See? You got numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You just can measure the height of the pins. This is 2. This is number 5. Yeah, number 5. This is number 2 again. This is number 1. And this is number 1. And this is number 1. So we can take this number and make a copy and make a new key for this specific lock that we just opened. Easy. And we can still use it to open and lock the safe or the cupboard, whichever we just opened. Easy. This is again H&H brand of high quality locksmith tool. Took about a few seconds to open and unlock the tubular pick. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.